Need to send cryptocurrency to a friend or another exchange? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send crypto from your Crypto.com wallet quickly and securely. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Sending crypto is a fundamental skill, and Crypto.com makes it intuitive while ensuring security throughout the process. First, tap the Transfer button on your home screen and select Withdraw Crypto. Choose which cryptocurrency you want to send from the list. You'll need the recipient's wallet address. You can paste it manually or use the QR code scanner for accuracy. Double-check the address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount you wish to send and review the network fee. Confirm all details are correct, then authorize the transaction with your 2FA or passcode. A crucial pro tip: always send a small test amount first when sending to a new wallet address. This verifies everything is working correctly before sending larger amounts. Also, ensure you're using the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum, that the recipient supports. And just like that, you've mastered peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transfers. Sending crypto opens up endless possibilities for payments and transfers. What's the most common cryptocurrency you send to others? Let me know below. For person-to-person payments, subscribe for our next video on how to use Crypto.com for peer-to-peer transfers. Thanks for watching.